Great news. The house is ready for the market. We've got the staging. We're doing the photographer and video today. We're gonna go on the market tomorrow. Hopefully we have plenty of people who love it, and I think they will. And I know that the next owner is gonna be an absolutely happy buyer. Let me know if you have any questions and talk to you soon, okay? Hello, Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guide with Spinella Group at Impero Real Estate. I'm excited to introduce to you our most recent listing at 1087 Yorkshire Drive, right here in Los Altos, California. Let's go take a look. Situated in the heart of Highlands, this beautiful Los Altos home is lovely with an amazing floor plan. It had 2,485 square feet of living space, which is great for entertaining and was thoughtfully designed with plenty of storage and tons of space. A giant yard over 10,000 square feet, perfect for enjoying company and day-to-day play or just unwinding anytime. There is even a Zoom room when you have those work from home days. Minutes from downtown Los Altos, great neighbors, and well-balanced schools. A perfect place to call home. One of my favorite features of this home is the separate living and family room. The kids can be playing in one room while you quietly have a conversation and entertain in the other room. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My team and I are here and happy to help.